I take it this thing is on. Yeah, it's on. What up, YouTube? YouTube, anybody else out there who subscribed to my page? Yeah, just dropping a little video, you know, I ain't been on here in a while. Or dropped any videos on here in a while, any other videos. But yeah, man, I ain't been really doing too much. Just been out here working, hustling, trying to get this whip. Cause it's cold as shit to be walking. You know about the rest of y'all motherfuckers, but I don't know if my toes can handle another winter of walking. But yeah, anyway, man, I'm gonna start putting little funny little parody videos up on here, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get this whip so I can get this shit up and cracking. Shout out to my home girl, by the way, out there in Detroit in the 313. She knows who she is, man. We're gonna get married one day. We're gonna settle down and have some baby. I'm just bullshitting, but she knows who she is, man. Yeah, man, just stay subscribed to my page. Look out for some upcoming videos, man. I just put one video up where I was on that clowning on that CeeLo shit. I just got bored, you know what I'm saying, threw the Trinidad James wig on, you know what I'm saying, gold wall in my chain, Yeah, man, just look out for some more upcoming videos, man. Yeah.